There she is. Yep. Oh, yeah. They call that an oar, I think. Yeah. No, she's playing with it. Some oar.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
And I want my boat.
Yeah.
I want my boat.
Okay. Not too deep, okay? Don't go deep.
Yes.
Some deep. Uh-oh.
Deep.
Okay, turn over here. Turn your boat over here. Yay! Mira's so happy. Mira is so happy that she is at the.
She's so brave.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hey, it's the brave Mira. It's just us here so far. What's that?
I can roll my boat.
Okay, roll your boat down.
That's how you do it.
Yay! That's how. What?
Dirty.
What's that? Huh?
Dirty.
Wow.
Mom,
Oh.
I fell.
Oh no.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Get away from you.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Uh-oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Yay. What's that? What's that, Mira? There's my husband.
Papa.
Yeah. Oh no. You're just kidding. You're just playing around.
Don't worry.
Do you know how to swim? Does Mira know how to swim? Oh, not too deep. That's already deep right there. Come back here. Okay. Okay. There's Dustin. He likes doing that. Come back here. Hey, don't go. Mira, turn around. Turn around, please. Turn around over here. Come on. Go there. I can't see you. Come on. I cannot see the mirror. Uh-oh, what's this? Oh, okay. It says mirror. Wow.